The best foods for our cardiovascular health. In a world where cardiovascular diseases continue to be one of the leading causes of death globally, taking care of heart health is more than just a priority, it's an urgent necessity. Fortunately, the key to a healthy heart often lies in simple choices we make every day in our diet. A balanced diet, rich in specific nutrients proven to be beneficial for the cardiovascular system, can play a significant role in preventing conditions such as heart attacks, strokes, and hypertension. In this context, exploring the best foods for the heart becomes crucial. Number 1, Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These fatty acids are essential for cardiovascular health as they have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the major contributors to the development of heart diseases, including atherosclerosis, which is the hardening and narrowing of arteries. Studies show that regular consumption of salmon can reduce blood triglyceride levels, which are a type of fat associated with increased risk of heart diseases. Additionally, EPA and DHA help maintain normal heart function and may reduce the risk of arrhythmias that can lead to sudden heart attacks. Number 2, Almonds. Almonds are a true nutritional powerhouse when it comes to heart health. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to increase HDL cholesterol levels and reduce LDL cholesterol. The balance between these two types of cholesterol is crucial for artery health and preventing heart diseases. Additionally, almonds contain phytosterols, plant compounds that help block cholesterol absorption in the intestine, further contributing to maintaining healthy blood cholesterol levels. Studies indicate that regular consumption of almonds can reduce the risk of cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes, thanks to their favorable lipid profile and presence of antioxidants. Number 3, Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is widely recognized as one of the cornerstones of the Mediterranean diet, famous for its cardiovascular health benefits. In addition to its positive effects on cholesterol levels and inflammation, olive oil also helps improve endothelial function, which is the ability of arteries to dilate and contract properly. Good endothelial function is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and preventing heart diseases. Olive oil also contains a variety of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin E and vitamin K. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects heart cells from damage, while vitamin K plays an important role in blood clotting and bone health. If you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. We present you the SMOOTHIE diet, the weight loss program that is revolutionizing the world due to its speed and effectiveness. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want. In this program you will receive the complete 21-day weight loss and health improvement program, over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes, shopping lists for each week to make it super simple to get everything you need, and smoothie making tips and prep guide to make sure there is zero trial and error. In addition to receiving 2 more bonuses to further enhance your weight loss. For more information, access the link in the description, or the link pinned in the first comment. Number 4, Walnuts. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, melatonin, and polyphenol. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, which can damage heart cells and tissues, contributing to heart diseases. Melatonin, besides being an antioxidant, helps regulate sleep, which is also important for cardiovascular health. Walnuts contain a good amount of fiber, which is essential for digestive health and helps control blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, a risk factor for heart diseases. They also provide magnesium and potassium, minerals that help regulate blood pressure. Number 5, Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutritious vegetables and offers a range of significant benefits for heart health. This leafy green vegetable is particularly rich in nitrates, compounds that convert into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is crucial for cardiovascular health as it helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Studies have shown that a diet rich in nitrates, such as that found in spinach, can lead to a significant improvement in endothelial function, which is the ability of blood vessels to adjust and maintain healthy circulation. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are an exceptional source of nutrients that benefit cardiovascular health. They are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fibers, which help reduce LDL cholesterol levels in the blood, thus decreasing the risk of heart diseases. Additionally, lentils are an excellent source of plant-based proteins, making them a healthy alternative to animal proteins, which can be high in saturated fats. Protein is essential for heart health, aiding in tissue building and repair, as well as in the production of enzymes and hormones important for regulating the cardiovascular system. It's important to remember that the key to a healthy diet lies not only in including these foods but also in moderation, variety, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. By making conscious choices in our daily diet, we can not only strengthen our heart but also promote a long and healthy life. So let's celebrate these foods as powerful allies in our journey towards heart health and overall well-being. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.